All right, once you determine the time difference between the P and the S wave from your seismogram, you're going to come over to the earthquake P wave and S wave travel time table. So, for instance, if that travel time was 6 minutes in between your P and your S wave, take a index card and mark on the edge of the index card a line that represents those 6 minutes. And then you're going to use this and you're going to move it until those two lines hit the two wave lines. And so here, six minutes is the distance between these two waves. So then you're going to read down to the x-axis, and in this case, the epicenter, this is in thousands of kilometers. So this would be 4,440 kilometers. And so that is the distance to the epicenter. The other number that you are going to need to read off of here is the time of arrival of your P wave. And so your P wave is going to be this line on the graph. So again, we're going to go back to where that meets. We're going to read our Y value off of the graph. And so we're here. So our Y value off the graph reads about there. So we are 7 minutes and 40 seconds, because remember there are 60 seconds in a minute. So each one of these boxes represents 20 seconds of a minute. So 20, 40. So 7 minutes, 40 seconds from the initial earthquake. And so 7 minutes, 40 seconds is the time of arrival that the P wave took. So that earthquake went off. It took 7 minutes and 40 seconds for the P wave to get there. And then another 6 minutes for the S wave to arrive at that same location. And so our values are going to be 4,440 kilometers away. That's where the distance to our epicenter, so that's what we're going to use to draw our circle. And then this is the time after the initial quake that the P wave arrived at the seismograph station. If you have any other questions, please let me know.